Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into the mind of a leading physicist. We're going to be exploring some key excerpts from the highly renowned Shiraz Minwalla Lectures on theoretical physics. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's dive into this. How do we decode the universe? When we approach the fundamental laws of nature, we really have to wrap our heads around the truly ambitious scale of the work we're talking about here. We aren't just looking at, random data points. We are pointing directly at the absolute highest levels of scientific inquiry, attempting to literally decode the massive, complex truths of reality itself. Section 1. Introducing the excerpts. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that when you're tackling a subject this monumental, taking in the exhaustive, unedited totality of the coursework all at once, well, it's pretty much impossible. The mathematics and theories are just incredibly vast. It's like a giant puzzle. And that is exactly why we rely on excerpts. By focusing purely on curated, vital cuts from this much larger, comprehensive academic work, we can distill the absolute most crucial takeaways. It gives us a focused window into a grand scientific narrative, without getting completely lost in the overwhelming volume of the complete lectures.
Section 2. Theoretical Physics.
So the crucial point is understanding the specific caliber of the arena we're operating within. We all know theoretical physics deals with the fundamental mechanics of reality, but lectures of this specific pedigree dive deep into the rigorous mathematical models and abstractions that push the very boundaries of human knowledge. We're talking about the frameworks that build toward grand unified theories, mapping out the very fabric of existence at the absolute highest academic level. It is, for sure, heavy stuff.
Section 3. The Minwalla Lectures.
And this brilliantly illustrates the immense value of learning these massive concepts directly from a master in a focused setting. Rather than just staring at an intimidating wall of equations, grounding this abstract science into a localized, singular lecture delivered by a leading voice like Shiraz Minwalla, well, it provides a necessary anchor. It takes the sprawling, infinite concepts of the cosmos and brings them down into a real-world moment of expert teaching.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Because, let's be honest, theoretical physics can be incredibly daunting. But having a singular, focused voice is absolutely crucial for translating high-level math into actual human understanding. This isolated lecture environment bridges the gap between raw, complex theory and our ability as focused learners to actually grasp it. It proves that decoding the universe ultimately relies on these highly specific, powerful moments of communication.
Which brings us to the ultimate question. We are standing at the threshold of concepts like string theory, quantum gravity, and the complex dynamics of black holes. With a master physicist as our guide, what profound mysteries of theoretical physics might these excerpts uncover if we push further into the original source material? The door has been opened to the actual mechanics of the universe, so where will it lead us next?